Hello and welcome to LG's step-by-step guide on how to level your side-by-side refrigerator. Leveling your refrigerator is important to ensure optimal performance. If your refrigerator seems to be tilted and unsteady, you should adjust the height to level it. First, use a spirit level to see which way the refrigerator is tilted. Next, locate the leveling legs on the bottom of the refrigerator. Now let's adjust the height of the legs to level your refrigerator. Use the spanner or spanners that came with your unit to adjust the height. Turn the bolt clockwise to raise the side you are adjusting. Turn the bolt anti-clockwise to lower it. Check if it is leveled and make adjustments if necessary. Also make sure the refrigerator tilts slightly towards the back, so the doors close easily. If the refrigerator is not tilted slightly backwards, raise both leveling legs equally. And that is how to level your side-by-side refrigerator. If the doors still seem to not shut properly, the doors may need to be aligned. Check out our How to Align the Door guide video to learn how. Thank you for using LG refrigerators.